Hey guys, welcome back to another edition of Fab Friday. This is a DIY project that I did on a jacket that I got from my local flea market. So let's go ahead and get into this video. So I'm going to be using some fabric spray paint that I got from Hobby Lobby, as well as a sequin applique that you can iron on, and I have some pins that I'm going to be putting on the front of the jacket. I don't show those at the end though. So I'm first going to start out by just laying out the jacket and spray painting pretty much the back of it with the white paint. So the paint that I got is white and like a cobalt blue color, and I just kind of wanted to mix these colors together, not so much mix it, but like make it almost like a starburst type of situation, but it did not work out that way. So I'm going to tell you guys now, this jacket did not come out the way I wanted it to come out at all. I will be revisiting this jacket to try to fix it because the end result was not what I wanted. The paint, I think, was just not, I don't know, it wasn't working the way I wanted it to. It wasn't giving me that starburst effect. So I will be trying this again, but now I'm going to go on and iron the sequin applique onto the back of the jacket. I'm using just a shirt to go over it, and I'm holding the shirt because the paint is still wet. It takes about 30 minutes for that to dry, and I don't want to mess up my husband's shirt. So just gonna iron that, holding it for 30 seconds, and yeah. So I will be telling you guys about the holiday giveaway in this video, so make sure you stay tuned after this little mini DIY so you can get updated on that. I'm still trying to like figure out how I want to do the back of the spray paint. It just wasn't working. So then I tested how like lettering would be, and I don't know, the way the spray paint came out of the can, it was just too harsh. It wasn't coming out as light as I wanted it to. As far as like the pressure you put on the can to spray it out, it was just all over the place for me. So I'm like, I'm not even gonna attempt to spray lettering on the back of this. I'm gonna wait and do like a like make the lettering myself and then use it as a cutout. So this is the finished product. Again, I don't really like it. I don't care for it. I will be revisiting this, but you know, here we go.
Alright guys, really quick, so I want to tell you about the holiday giveaway before you guys click out of this video. So the giveaway is open from 1 December all the way until 23 December. All you need to do is be a follower of my Instagram and my YouTube, as well as leave a heart on this video, and that is it. One lucky winner will be chosen. The winner of that giveaway will get a $25 Fashion Nova gift card, as well as some eyeliner, lipstick, eyeshadow brushes, eyelashes, an eyeshadow palette, and some loose glitter from Fluttered by Ro. Some of the items may be swapped out for some other products, but they all still will be name brand and similar. So eyeshadow brushes, eyeliner, loose glitters, eyelashes, makeup palette or eyeshadow palette, eye mask, and a face mask, as well as a $25 Fashion Nova gift card. In order to be interested into the giveaway, all you need to do is be a follower of my Instagram and my YouTube, as well as leave a heart on this video in order to be entered. If you do all those steps, then you are golden. One entry per person. Again, the giveaway is open from 1 December to 23 December. I will leave all the details down below so you can revisit down, you know, in the description box. And that is all I got. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Good luck to everyone who decides to participate. Love ya. Bye.